Good evening, friends. Welcome to Mona's Trading View for 28 June 2021. Yesterday, in my trading view, I had mentioned that Nifty was going to make a new up move towards its life highs. And also, I had recommended that people be long in the market. Also, I mentioned that if it crosses 15,820, it will face minor hurdle at 15,860. Likewise, Nifty closed today 70 points higher at 850-60 levels. Going forward, as you can see here, the long trade continues. For positional trades, stop loss that I had mentioned at about 15,650 and 670 still stays good. On the upper side, first target is about 16,000. Thereafter, 16,200 can be expected within 2 to 3 trading weeks. Now for short-term traders, we will look at the short-term charts. Here, any dip towards 15,770 can be bought into by placing a stop loss below 15,770 levels. Going forward, Nifty will face significant resistance at 15,900 levels. Once it crosses 15,900 and trades there for a couple of hours, then the next immediate target is 16,000 and 16,020 levels. If Nifty closes above 15,900 at the end of the day, then the long positions can be carried forward for its next immediate target. Moving on to Bank Nifty. Yesterday I had mentioned that Bank Nifty is looking stronger than Nifty and also recommended that Bank Nifty is on the verge of making a new up move. Likewise, the stop loss for that new up move was 34,000. Now the stop loss for the positional trade can be shifted upwards to about 34,500 levels. That will be somewhere here, 34,500 levels. The upper target is 36,400, 500 in about a couple of weeks time, which I have indicated with an arrow mark here. In between, it may face some resistance at 35,600, 800 levels. Moving on to short-term time frame chart on Bank Nifty. Here, one click by Bank Nifty up to 34,900. If it comes down, keeping a stop loss of 34,900. If it opens a gap up, one may wait till a consolidation and then buy. Otherwise, wait for a dip if at all the dip comes and then buy into Bank Nifty. On the upside, 35,600 to 35,800 are the short-term targets. Now we will take a look at my watch list. In my watch list are Axis Bank which is a buy at current market price of 763, stop loss of 747 and a target of 780. Cummins India, current market price is 863, stop loss 846, target 906. And lone sell is IGL, which is trading at 515, stop loss of 526 and a target of 501 on the downside. Moving on to derivatives data, Nifty ended the day higher by 70 points to close at 15,860. Buying was seen in Nifty futures, which closed higher by 0.45%, the open interest moving up by 3.1%. Nifty open interest PCR was at 1.15. Amongst Nifty options July 1st expiry, put writing was seen at 15,800 and also at 15,700, whereas call buildup was seen at 16,000 and at 16,200. Bank Nifty closed at 35,364, higher by 537 points. Fresh longs was seen in Bank Nifty as open interest was up 4.5%, with Bank Nifty closing higher by 1.5%. For Bank Nifty, PCR is at 1.07. Minor profit booking was seen by FIIs in the index futures segment. Their net sold contracts in indices worth 858 crore. Their net open interest going down by 7,721 contracts. Market breadth was positive. VIX went down by a massive 11.5% to close at 13.37, indicating that the market sentiment is up. A look at the FII activity for 25 June 2021. We can see their net sell figure in Nifty futures is 858 crores. It is not fresh selling, but it is mainly because of profit booking from their earlier positions. To end, we will take a look at the open interest for 1st June expiry. Maximum call writing can be seen at 16,000 and then at 16,200 levels, whereas put writing is visible at 15,800 and 15,700 levels. Thanks for watching. Have a nice weekend. Good night.